Folks, today we're gonna clean my grill. It's pretty bad. I gotta say, I'm no June cleaver. I do not clean everything as it gets dirty, especially. We have cleaned the outside of this grill with our Macaloy all-purpose cleaner. We've cleaned the inside with the Spotter 5, and it did a fantastic job. We were able to do it in no time. Let me show you. The outside looks fabulous. It looks brand new. The inside looks good. We've cleaned this portion of the grill and this, and the top, which most people don't, but I've cleaned the top just to show how well our Spotter 5 can clean. And again, like I said, if you like our products and you want to see more on how to clean it, please remember to hit the subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell. It'll tell you whenever we upload new videos. And if you want to buy the products, go to macaloyproducts.com. That should come across your screen. Anyway, thank you so much. I'm so excited about how this came out. You all have a wonderful day, and until next time,